What's up, y'all? It's Brian. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital product to your Bosscart store. So starting at the main screen, we're going to click My Shop, and we're going to click Add Products, or you can click Products over here on the left, Add Products. And on this screen, we don't have any categories set up. So first we have to set up a category because we need to choose one in order to publish a new product. Our product, for this example, is going to be a blog template. So we're just going to add a category name, templates. Hit submit. So we've got our templates there. And we're going to add a product. So again, we've got 4 different types of products we can add: physical product, digital product, service, and a membership. So for this one, it's going to be a digital product. What makes it unique is it's a digital download associated with the purchase. So they'll get a temporary link in their email with the actual digital download to access it, and they only have 24 hours to access it. And there's unlike the physical product, there's no shipping involved, all the other stuff, and depending on the settings that you set up, you can actually just have it so that you're not collecting any extra info other than the email and name if you want. So we're going to click digital product. We're just going to call this blog templates because that's what we're selling in this example. I'm just going to leave this sample text here, and then we're going to click our product file. So I'm just going to choose, I uploaded this because it was kind of big, so I uploaded it off camera. But once you upload it, you just click it. Also, you can delete with the trash can button, and then this little link button will let you can actually share the file. So you can actually use your Bosscart account to host files, and your storage space depends on the plan that you have. It starts at a gig and goes up from there. So we're just going to click it, and then we're going to hit select. So it's there, and then as you can see right here, customers will be sent a secure link to download the file after purchase. Every link is unique and active for 24 hours after the first download. So it's very temporary. It keeps from people sharing it a bunch of times forever. And make sure you let your customers know that so that they don't forget and they actually download it as soon as they get it before they lose access. So for our price, this is a template, so we'll just call it $97. And we won't do a SKU. We have an option for a subscription product. So digital downloads, if you want to make this have it be ongoing payments, or if it's a more expensive product and you want to break up the payments a little bit, so maybe you're selling access to a video and you want to break up the payments to maybe have it be 3 payments of say $97, and then maybe they have an option to pay upfront at $197. You would do, say, for example, 3 payments once a month, and then $97. This is only available on the Boss plan. For this example, I'm just using the free trial plan. That I believe I'm using the solopreneur plan. So this isn't available on that plan. So we're just going to go with, we're not going to do a subscription actually. We're just going to cancel. Any additional information you want to ask, you can have it here. Just enter the field name, and then it'll have a field on checkout. We're not going to do that. Any custom thank you page you want to have for your digital download, you can put it here. If you have an upsell, you want to link that through there. And then you want to add a category. So we added templates. We're going to click that. Confirm. And then moving on back up here, we add our product image. So let's see. Let's add an image here. Let's just go with this one. Wow. Click it, select. So we got our image. We can add more images if we want. It's going to add our URL, slug there, and then SEO description. Definitely want to just add a description so that when people search, it kind of tells Google what this product is about, so it's likely to list it in search. And then there's the option to clone it and delete it, which is self-explanatory. So we're going to hit save. So our product is here. So we're going to go into our store. See, there's nothing here. We're going to hit refresh because we just published something new. So we've got our blog templates. We're going to click it. this is our product on our checkout page. I didn't add any content. I'm just going to add to cart. I'm going to check out, and then proceed to checkout. And if we were to purchase it, checkout would just be as normal, and the email confirmation with the order received will be sent to the email that you provide. So in this particular example, we've got name, email, and then a billing address, and we continue. So I'm not going to actually purchase it, but that's how you add a product, a digital product, to your online store on Bosscart. Hope you got some value from this. Be sure to check out our other videos on how to add a physical product, how to add a membership, how to set up a service product as well. But you can sell anything digital. It could be music, it could be a file download, it could be videos, it could be if you're selling, say, graphics, art, anything like that, anything that people can download, ebooks, you can have it on your Bosscart website and sell it in the same place that you have your sales funnels and everything else on your website. So hope you got some value from this. If you did, leave a comment. If you didn't, leave a comment, let me know. We're still making these videos. I want to keep improving them, making them better. And until next time, peace out.